Edo State Government Wednesday announced that two traditional rulers had been arrested in connection with the Saturday, January 7 kidnap of 20 train passengers who were waiting to board a train from Igueben train station to Warri in Delta State. Commissioner for Communication and Orientation, Chris Osa Nehikhare, who announced the arrest of the two traditional rulers, did not mention their names. Nehikhare, who addressed reporters after the first weekly State Executive Council meeting of the year, said, "We are pleased to announce that the last two victims have been rescued and 7 suspects are in custody, including 2 village chiefs. We thank the press for the support they have given in the last few weeks." The state government had earlier warned that it would wield the big stick against any traditional ruler who harbored criminal elements in his domain. However, the executive director, ESSON Youth for Good Governance and Social Justice, Benson Odia, reportedly said that the chiefs were innocent, adding that their arrest had political undertone. "You see, the government is playing politics," he said. "The chiefs were never accused of being perpetrator or whatever. The arrest of those chiefs and the traditional rulers has political undertone because these days they are now partisan. They are not supporting his political party. That is why the governor is trying to use them as scapegoats." If you enjoyed this, please like, share and subscribe so you can get notifications.